Welcome to ilFornino Showroom Pizza Academy, and I'm gonna show you around. Please come in. Here you can find everything that you need, from residential to commercial. We have an oven for any size, party, and usual, and also a pizza tool. You can turn the pizza, put the pizza on the peel, any dimension, and everything that you need. And if you follow me this way, you're also gonna find different type of oven for the needs that best suit for you. So I have a commercial and residential oven, and also commercial over there and trailer, and some more residential right here. Follow me to the pantry. I'm gonna show you. We also have flour, Caputo flour, wood, Italian tomato, dry yeast, semola flour, everything that you need in order to make your pizza. Starting with the oven, go down with a pizza class. We have the tool, we have the material here. So from the A to the Z, everything that you need to make a perfect pizza.